Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Alpha Lock in Procreate. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that you want to do is let's start a new sheet. So to do this, we're going to go to Galleries, and then we are going to hit this plus right over here on the right side. We're going to click this here. Now you can create your own canvas, but I always like to just use the 8.5 by 11. So we are ready to go. So the first thing that you need to do is come right over here to the wrench. You're going to click on this, and then you're going to choose Add Text. We're going to click here, double tap, and then we are going to click the keyboard right here. So from here, we're going to click on this AA, and then we're going to choose our font. So today I'm using Wild Sage. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it right here. All right, so next thing you need to do is go ahead and click the keyboard right over here, and then you're just going to go ahead and type out whatever it is you desire. So I'm going to go ahead and type out designbundles.net. That's what we're working with here today. So we're going to go ahead and type this out. Now, if you click anywhere on the screen, it will get rid of your keyboard. So now what we need to do is hit the selector tool, which is right here, and then we're going to go ahead and size this out. Now I'm going to make this nice and big so you guys can see here. Once you're happy with your size, you're going to go ahead and deselect this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the selector tool here. So let's go ahead and hit the layers button right over here. We're just going to go ahead and select this layer right here that's already highlighted. We're just going to click on it just like so. And we are going to hit the raster size. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to click it again, and this time we're going to hit Alpha Lock. So this is going to allow us to only work within inside the lines here. So the very next thing we're going to do is go ahead and choose our brush, whichever brush you would like to choose. I'm using this animal print right here, and then you're going to go ahead and choose a color. So I'm going to go in here and just choose a color here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this teal color right here. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you can use your pen or your finger and just kind of go right over this font. So everything is going to stay within those lines. So as you guys can see, super duper easy to use. Now, the way to unlock this is you're going to go ahead and hit your layer tool again, click on it, and then you're just going to hit Alpha Lock again, and it'll get rid of that. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.